What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino, and today we showed up to our first job today, property management. Get ready to start the job. Checked the water. The water wasn't on, so they didn't let me know that before I showed up. So in most cases, a lot of carpet cleaners, they would have been kind of put in a hard place, but not me, because I also provide VLM, low moisture cleaning. 175 is what I use. Some people use different orbiters and stuff like that. I'm using the 175, and I'm using some Ironman bonnets, and this one, I think this one's from In-Cap store. So the carpet's not horribly bad. The living room's the worst part. You can see right in here, the lighting's really bad. Let's see if I can get some better lighting. Here. Yeah, so lighting's pretty bad in here. But, yeah, we got normal traffic areas around the furniture kind of stuff. Okay. A lot of times this could be a problem, no matter what, if you're doing hot water extraction or VLM, because you get worn fiber. You got a couch here, you've been walking around here for years, fibers get worn, you clean the carpet, it looks like they're not clean, but it's just actually shadows from the worn fiber. You got worn frayed fiber versus new fiber. The light reflects off of it differently. It makes it look like it's soiled, you know? But it's not. I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen to this, but remember that. Polyester is notorious for that also. So you can see the market. So for VLM, really important to do a really good vacuum. Always do a really good vacuum. Always do a vacuum regardless whether you're doing hot water extraction or VLM. And it's very important. Dry soil removal is like the first step in carpet cleaning. So if you're doing VLM, well, with hot water extraction, you're sucking up, right? So little things that are missing can come up with it, right? With your vacuum part of the hot water extraction. But with VLM, you just push stuff around. And plus with VLM, get that dry soil up before it gets wet, because what happens when it gets wet? It turns to mud, okay? And then it gets pushed down to the bottom of the carpet. So if you're not vacuuming, doing VLM, you're messing up, and I don't care who you are, okay? If you're not vacuuming, doing hot water extraction, you're messing up. But you can get away with a lot more hot water extraction than you can VLM. So I got some, I went ahead and mixed up some Green Dragon. I use Green Dragon now because Paul Washington Pro been using it for a while now, and that guy's using it. I trust him. If you're getting into the VLM, carpet cleaning business, and you're doing VLM, go check his channel out. He'll steer you in the right direction as far as VLM. I will also, but he does a lot more. I do both, so I'm waiting on Aaron to vacuum, get that done, and then we'll go ahead and pre-spray it. I'm going to agitate with the Namco here, just the areas that need it. Probably just in here because the other rooms are not bad. Well, yeah, okay. Agitate it here also. So we might get a witness mark there because it's very soiled. In this room, not so much. And I believe the other room was the same way, lightly soiled. All right, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description. as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. So if you want to start a VLM carpet cleaning business, that's what you want to do, or that's what you want to start out with, you can do that for about $1,000. Have your own carpet cleaning business. You get the 175. I suggest also having an Auric or something you can do stairs with. You can get hand machines for that, like polishing hand tools for that, which I'm gonna get. Something to spray your solution down, and education, right? Knowing what you need to use. That makes the jobs. It's gonna make the jobs a lot easier and make a lot quicker, because it's going to be a smoother process and safely too. Right? So that's all you're going to need to start your VLM business. Pretty much everything I got out here. You don't even need to have. You can use a hand scrubber if you need to. Scrubber broom kind of deal. To start out with. But see our counter rotating brush type machines really scrub the best, and plus pick up stuff, which is nice to have. But you can evolve into that as you start making money. But just because you got the equipment doesn't mean that you're going to be a successful carpet cleaning business. You gotta know how to get the customers. You gotta know how to build your foundation for your business for longevity and strength. What I mean by strength is that you're going to be there. You're going to be a part of your community, and found on the internet and different places on the internet, and your local businesses and stuff like that. Google my business and stuff like that. You'll be found. And then you need to learn how to build your reputation up, and how to get that reputation built up. That's a carpet cleaning business. Just because you got machines, you're a carpet cleaner, right? But you can't say you got a carpet cleaning business until you have a carpet cleaning business, and you know the difference, because when you don't have to advertise anymore after a couple of years, then you know you're an established business. Of course, if you want to make more money, more than what you're making, advertising's a good thing to do. So it just all depends on the money you want to make. But yeah. So I, as you all know, if you watch my videos, I have a carpet cleaning course, how to start a carpet cleaning business 101. Links below all my videos. Right now it's at a reduced price, so if you're thinking about it, I suggest getting it. It's going to make life a lot easier and make the whole process a lot quicker. Alright? I'm going to go ahead and pre-spray the rest of this. So my method is I kind of go around the outside. Where's one around there? Now I'm doing one hand here. These things are very, very, very easy to use, even easier than an Auric. All you gotta do is lift up, push down. If you have the handle right around your belt line, it'll make the difference on how easy this thing is to run. Now the solution you use is very important. You can use many types of solutions, but make sure if you're doing low moisture, you got the right chemistry going on. an encapsulation or a no residue type cleaning solution. Because you don't want to leave any soap-based products behind, either doing hot water extraction or VLM, but especially VLM, because in hot water extraction you can be rinsing a lot of it out, but some could be left behind. With hot water extraction or with a VLM, I mean, you're going to get a lot of it out also, but the rinse really helps out on soap-based products. But I don't recommend anybody use any soap-based products for carpet cleaning. If you are, you're doing old school. We've evolved. So this is a really soiled area, so what I'm going to do is it's about time to flip this bonnet anyway. I'm going to go over it once, and then I'm going to flip the bonnet and go over it again. The bonnet's picking up all the soil from the fiber. So it's like if you had mud on your arm or something like that, and if you have hairy arms, if you're a girl, I understand you. Not you, but got a rag, a wet rag, and just kind of wiped it off. You kept wiping it until it's clean. That's kind of what it's doing with the VLM method. I'm going to flip this bonnet. That's where the dirt goes. And this is a clean one. So this is the first time Aaron's used it. It was really difficult at the beginning until he got used to it. And now he's getting used to it. He's got to very lightly push down on it to go left. Very lightly pull up on it. The harder you push down, the faster it's going to go. About where he has it, belt line there, and tugged up close to him, that's where you need it. So his first time using it, so it ain't that hard, guys. All right, guys, that's it. That's VLM for you. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and mop our way out of here. Wrap up everything. We did have to go over this room a few times, but it looks better than here. So we went through and raked. Raked everything. You don't have to do it, but I do it most of the time. All right, guys. That's it for this one. I got a call coming in. So we'll see you in the next one. Again, if you want to start a carpet cleaning business, link below. Very helpful.